There is a system to creating results in your life, and it's as predictable and repeatable as the laws of gravity and electricity. Just a few hundred years ago, we were lighting our homes by oil lamps, not because electricity didn't exist in the universe, because no one had an awareness of how to leverage that power. The same thing is happening inside of you. There is greatness in you. There's a whole world of untapped potential just waiting to emerge from the depths of your soul. You are here for a purpose. You are meant to do something special. There's never been another you, not in the whole history of the world. And you already have the power in you to be, do, have, give, and create anything that you can dream of. Let me show you the system for using that power, and together we'll create results so you can live a life you absolutely love